Hello and welcome back to a new video. Hi, my name is Audrey. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment and like this video. On today's video, we are doing the Product Red Fantasy Gel by Kiss Products in the long length. It is high volume gel. It's sculpted nails with 28 nails in this pack. If you want to see the results and see how I do this, continue to watch. Thank you.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, clearly right around talking to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. That you do know. But we'll never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you. Married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. As long as you know who you belong to.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine.
All I'm really asking for is you.
You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine.
for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devils. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kills over. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bonnet. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast after.
Yeah, I find why I gave you what you needed. I know what you like. I believe for me. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind, and not me the make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, you could leave, I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy.
Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
All right, y'all, so this is the final look here. Again, this is the Gel Fantasy Product Red long length sculpted nails, 28, and it came with the glue that I liked, or like. So it is a matte red, so you could see. So it's not blood red, but it is still red. Looks very pretty. perfect for date night. So comment down below what you think. Comment down below what you think would pair good with these nails. What other set would pair good with these nails, because you know I'm gonna have to do a never waste your nail episode with these. So comment down below what you think. Comment down below what other ones you want to see. Follow me on Instagram, and you can, you know, send me on Instagram the ones that you want me to see. I will try and link these down below in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys, or you all, in the next one, okay? Again, stay sweet, maybe a little sour. Bye for now. Thank you.
What's up? Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get